Okay, children, now we are in Unit 11 of 8 of 9th class. Next topic is strange behavior of water. Before going to this particular strange behavior of water, in first class of melting point, I have given a graph for you. The graph is what between temperature as well as heat applied. We have seen that from 0 degrees to 4 degrees centigrade, temperature rises, then afterwards 4 degrees to centigrade, or 4 degrees centigrade, that constant temperature, what happens, the temperature will remain constant. That particular one is called as latent heat of fusion. Simultaneously 100 degrees centigrade it increases. After reaching 100 degrees centigrade, it remains constant. Temperature remains constant, and how much quantity of water heat we are applying also, it remains constant. We have seen it up. That is latent heat of fusion as well as vaporization of water, as it is having a strange behavior. Within this particular strange behavior of water, we know the formula of water is what? H2O. When compared to other liquids, on heating other liquids, what happened? They expand. They expand on heating, but whereas water behaves indifferently. In what way it will differ? There itself, let me see it. Between temperature of 0 degrees centigrade to that of 4 degrees centigrade temperature, volume of water shrinks, means what? Gradually it reduces, it decreases. Not only that particular point, based upon that particular shrinks, what we can say that water which is existing in ice stage, solid stage, will occupy more space. One more point is nothing but what? Will occupy more space compared to the volume in liquid state. That particular point we can understand. Why it is occupying more space? Means the density of ice is lesser than the density of water. Due to this reason, ice will be floating on the surface of water. Ice will be floating on the surface of water. If you are going through a ship there itself, what happens then? Suddenly icebergs will be appear in water. As those icebergs are floating within the water, why? The density of that particular iceberg is lesser than the density of water. Due to that reason, ice will be floating on the surface of that particular water layer. That is the reason makes the animals, the survival life of animals within the water in cold regions also. In polar regions, we'll see animals, fishes can be living, aquatic animals will be living under the water, where upper surface is totally remain as cold and it is covered with what? Ice. As it is covered with ice to certain layers, after that layer, what happened there? Water will be existing. Based upon this phenomena, what is that phenomena? Density of ice is lesser than the density of water. Based upon this particular phenomena, upper surface ice floats, at the bottom layer, water will be remaining in liquid stage, as it is, and it stops the water from losing temperature as well as heat of air. As it is, as ice is covered top, the temperature as well as heat from the air will losing of the particular heat will be reduces. Due to that reason, water will be remain in a liquid stage only underneath of the ice there itself. That is the strange behavior of water. We can give it up there. Coming to next topic, that is nothing but what? Freezing point. What is called as freezing point? A substance in which a liquid phase changes to what? A solid phase. The process in which liquid phase is changes to what? Solid phase by losing some quantity of energy. By losing some quantity of energy, if it is converting liquid phase to that of solid phase, we'll call that one as nothing but what? Freezing point. And if you go for water, it will be get freezes at temperature of 0 degrees Celsius. 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atmospheric pressure. That is water which can be get freezes. Examples for this particular freezing point is what? During winter season, if you see coconut oil which is existing in liquid stage in rainy season, as winter season approaches, as winter season is going on, slowly what happens, the total liquid which is existing in a liquid state will be condensed and form a solid stage. That is nothing but what? Freezing. Similarly, what happened? Ghee converting into solid state during winter season also a best example for what? Freezing point we can give it up. Next one is what? Next example what happened there? Water kept in refrigerator will also convert in the form of solid stage. Why this particular water is converting in the form of solid stage when we are keeping in refrigerator? And if the water, what else we kept it have? It will have some internal energy. That internal energy, what happens, gradually decreases, so that the internal energy existing in the water, what we kept in refrigerator, gradually decreases. Due to decreasing of that particular internal energy, it will be get solidified and form ice. That is the reason when we are keeping water, temperature reduces. If internal energy decreases, temperature also gradually reduces. Due to decreasing internal energy, decreasing of temperature, what happens there? The water which is existing in liquid state will convert in the form of solid state. That is the reason why water we are keeping in refrigerator will be converted in the form of solid. By this we have completed general introduction regarding freezing point. Next one is what? Activity 13 is there. This activity 13 explains about what? How freezing point of a substance there itself of water. To do that one, I require material required how many? We require two material. One is glass bottle and certain quantity of water. Third one is what? Refrigerator. Three things we require. One is glass bottle, water and refrigerator. Now perform. Take a glass bottle of known volume. Fill it that particular bottle with water of known volume. The volume of bottle will be equal to volume of water. What else you are taking into that particular bottle? Fix it nicely. Place it in refrigerator. Place it in refrigerator. And allow that particular bottle to be get freezed as the internal energy of the particular water gradually decreases. Based upon this point, internal energy of water gradually decreases. As time passes, internal energy of water gradually decreases. As it is decreasing its internal energy, temperature also decreases. Temperature decreases means what happens in itself? It will form in the form of a solid stage. As it is forming in the form of solid stage, what happens? It will come to this particular point in itself. What is that point? Water molecule, as it is converting in the form of ice, it occupies more space than that of liquid. It occupies more space than that of liquid. What does it indicate? On condensing, on converting in the form of solid state, water expands on freezing. That particular point we can observe it itself. As it is, water get condensed or converting in the form of solid ice, space of that particular volume will be gradually increases. Due to increasing the space of that particular volume of ice cubes, what happens there itself? The bottle which is of glass breaks up. The bottle which is of glass will break up. As it is breaking up, we can say that we can come to a conclusion that what is the conclusion? Water which is existing in solid state expands on freezing. Depending upon the freezing, what happens that as water gets freezes, volume of that particular solid substance ice expands. By this, we have completed our chapter. That is nothing but what? Unit 11 heat chapter. Try to recollect the total information or recapture the concept. We are having 13 activities. try to analyze those 13 activities and be well prepared for coming exam. And I am going to explain in next class annual examination pattern of 9th class. Later on examination will be there. Be well prepared for exam. Thank you. In unit 11 of EAT of 9th class, as we have completed the whole chapter, let we go through annual examination pattern. What does this annual examination pattern exist? Maximum number of marks will be of 40 marks. Within that, part A consisting of 35 marks, part B consisting of 5 marks. Within part A, 35 marks, we will be having 3 different blocks. First one is answer the following questions, in which there will be 7 questions they will be asking. We have to write 7 questions, very short questions they will ask. We have to answer it up in a short form, very short form. Each question carry 1 mark, total 7 marks it will be. Similarly, unit 2, second block, answer the following questions, in which 6 questions will be allotted. Each question consisting of 2 marks, therefore 6 2s are 12 marks. If you observe for these 2 things, no internal choice. No internal choice will be allotted for these 2 bits. Coming to third bit, answer the following questions. This is essay type of question. This one is very short questions. Short questions. This is essay questions. Within essay questions, we have to write 4 questions. Each question carry 4 marks. Total 4 4s are 16 marks. For each question, there will be an internal choice. 4 2s are 8. Total 8 questions they will ask it up. From that 8 questions, we have to, not directly they won't ask 8 questions. First questions, either first question of A bit or B bit. Second question A bit or B bit. In that particular way, they will ask for 4 questions. A bit, B bit will be there. Within that, we have to write only 1. Each question carry 4 marks. The total, if we add these 2 things, we will get 35 marks. Coming to part B, only 1 bit will be there, that is multiple choice questions. In the annual examination, they will ask multiple choice questions. As we are writing regular exam only for 1 chapter, we will be allotting fill in the blanks here. How many bits they will ask? 10 bits they will ask. Each bit consisting of half mark equal to 5 marks. Therefore, 5 plus 35 total is equal to 40 marks. Now coming to this particular chapter, unit 11, heat, within that, based upon which if we read much more perfectly, we can attempt maximum all these things. If you go for third bit, internal choice is existing for 4 marks questions. If you concentrate on 4 marks questions, that is what the questions essay answers, maximum chapter can be get revised. Due to that reason, you can attempt first bit as well as second bit. Not only those 2 bits, multiple choice was also 50 to 60% you can attempt. So that out of 40 marks, 30 plus 35 plus marks, 35 plus marks, you can easily get it up. You can easily secure if you concentrate on third bit, that is essay type questions. Coming to heat chapter, how many essay questions are there? We are having 13 activities. 13 activities explains about different topics there. Given the 1 and 2 activity explain about thermal equilibrium concept. Third and fourth activity explains about what? Temperature and kinetic energy, the relationship between temperature and kinetic energy, how it exists, it will explain. Fifth and sixth explains about what? Specific heat of a substance there itself. Next one is what? Lab activity to determine the specific heat of solid substances. Coming to seventh activity, it explains about methods of mixture, how we can mix up 2 different substances there. That particular concept we can understand either homogeneous or heterogeneous. Eighth and ninth activity explains about what? Evaporation and surface area, how it will be affected, humidity, how it will be get affected. wind speed, how it will be affected, we can study within this 8th and 9th activities of evaporation. 10th activity coming to what? Condensation. How a liquid will be get condensed based upon that activity it is given there. And remaining 11th, 12th, 13th activities together, you may ask for boiling point of a liquid, melting point of a ice, freezing point there itself. These three topics together you may ask for 4 marks question or individually for 2 marks or individually for 4 marks. Melting point and boiling point together you may also ask for 4 marks questions. If you concentrate on all these activities, only few activities have been get, few topics, small subtopics have been get left out. What are those? Thermal equilibrium, already it is written there. Fog, dew as well as humidity. Those concepts you have to concentrate to some extent. Not only that one, latent heat of fission, latent heat of vaporization. Also we have completed the itself. If you concentrate on all these topics, maximum you can cover 99%, you can secure 40 marks. So children, before going to write exam, go through the concept thoroughly and try to analyze the concept much more perfectly. Prepare well for the exam and write well. All the best for your exam. Thank you.